So you want the best web hosting for pennies? Grab my Hostinger coupon code from the description or by scanning this QR code. And if you want to know why Hostinger and which plan to pair with the Hostinger promo code, stick around. After using my coupon code for Hostinger link, you'll land on the plans page, okay, where you're going to have 3 options. All of them give great value for the money, even without my best Hostinger coupon code. That doesn't mean Hostinger skimps on resources or features. All the shared hosting plans come with powerful essentials to help you get online quickly, including an AI website builder, a free domain for 1 year, professional email addresses, one-click WordPress installation, and top-level security. Plus, Hostinger keeps on adding features all the time, so you can expect much more in the future. Now, let me help you pick the best plan for your needs with Hostinger discount code. The premium is perfect for beginners, offering all the essentials and a user-friendly HPanel that makes it easy to manage websites like portfolios or blogs. And if your needs change over time, upgrading to a higher plan is seamless and straightforward. For instance, if you need more flexibility or an online store. The business plan builds on the essentials by just adding AI tools for the editor, e-commerce functionality, and even an AI agent, Cody, for WordPress. Finally, the Cloud Startup Plan is designed for businesses with higher demands, providing all the features of the business plan along with a unique IP address and priority support to ensure reliability and speed. So whichever plan that you do choose, though, don't forget to use the Hostinger coupon code by clicking the link in the description. It's always updated and gives the latest and biggest Hostinger discount on any of the 3 plans. So thanks for watching. See you around. Bye.